Hey guys, so today I thought I'd do a first impressions of the I'm From Pear Serum, which is their new product. I have a feeling there'll be a pear toner and a pear cleanser and a pear mask, but right up front, I will say I am not aware of pear being a superstar ingredient for skincare other than skin conditioning and probably hydrating for skin. Not aware of it. I've searched for articles on it. There just isn't much. So if you're looking for a superstar ingredient, not sure this is it, although it is nicely hydrating. It has no fragrance. Pear doesn't have a natural fragrant component to it, so it really has no scent at all. Lincoln didn't even care that I was wearing this yesterday and today. Didn't even notice. If I wear anything that has any scent to it, he will pick it up. So this has 0 licks from Lincoln. Or maybe it, whatever. 10 licks would be good. But 10 licks would mean something's fragrant, so I don't know how that goes on the scale. 10 non-licks, whatever. Okay. So it is nicely moisturizing and hydrating. I find the texture of it is kind of liquidy gel texture to it. Again, has no scent. It seems to work well under sunscreens. It absorbs pretty quickly. To be 100% honest, once it sets and dries, it doesn't feel like the most hydrating product I've ever used. It almost feels a little bit watery, liquidy serum texture. Almost feels like an essence. Almost has a texture similar like the Claire Supple Preparation Toner. It just isn't super hydrating, although for summer, I'm not minding it. It seems to play well under my other products, although maybe if you have oilier skin type, you can just use this and not have to worry about another moisturizer over it. Just isn't the most exciting ingredient list. We've got the pear water and then pear extract, then we've got sugarcane, and then a few slip ingredients, which are always hydrating, but a little lackluster. I don't know. I don't know if I was hoping for more. Maybe I was hoping that pear would be the superstar ingredient, but it just doesn't appear to be. Other than leaving your skin hydrated and has a little bit of skin conditioning properties, really isn't that exciting. Maybe if you have more info, leave a comment. Maybe pear is secretly the superstar ingredient that nobody's found yet. I mean, I know peach is a good skincare ingredient, but pear so far is just kind of bland, but I don't know. Maybe you guys are having better luck trying it. For the price, I think it's like $33 or $35 is the retail price. It just left me with something to be desired. So I was excited when it first came out because I thought maybe pear had all these advantages, but this one just isn't super exciting. So I don't necessarily say it's a pass, but if you have other skin products you're trying to use up, I guess I wouldn't rush out and buy it unless it was on a better sale because, I don't know, $33. It just feels like a liquidy texture, and once it dries, I just don't think it really offers anything in terms of real hydration, but it feels nice on the skin and slippery and watery, and I mean, it sets to kind of a non-sticky natural finish, maybe slightly sticky, but I don't know. I've only been playing with it for less than a week, maybe about 6 days now, so I'll definitely keep trying it and do a full review if you guys are interested, but so far those are my first thoughts on it, not super earth-shattering news about it, but I'm sure we'll see a whole lineup of it, so I'm sure we'll get used to seeing the pear toner and the pear mask and the whatever. I don't know. This is still, in my opinion, the best product they've ever. Well, their rice essence is nice. Rice is nice. Their honey mask is great. This stuff, I don't know. Leaving me a little to be desired, but that's okay because nobody's perfect. So there's no brand where I've liked every single one of their products. Geek and Gorgeous is pretty up there though. But anyway, those are my thoughts. I'm interested if you guys have tried it or what your favorite I'm From product is. Maybe it wasn't what I mentioned here. Their rice serum was nice. So I don't know. And their rice toner is nice. Their rice mask, hated that. Very gritty. But anyway, okay, my total random thoughts. Thank you guys so much. I will see you more later. Okay, bye guys.